Hey UNLV, this is John from UNLV Telecom. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the Jabber SMS service that is available for campus Jabber users. This service allows you to send and receive SMS messages to your UNLV extension while using Jabber. This video focuses on Jabber for Windows, but the service can also be used on Jabber for Mac, iPhone, and Android. Okay, let's get started. The first thing I'd like to do is explain what this service is and is not. With Jabber SMS, you can send one-to-one direct SMS messages. SMS, not MMS. This means that you can send text messages, not images, not videos, not GIFs. You can receive images, videos, and GIFs, but they will be sent to you as a link. You can go to the link to view or download whatever was sent. If you don't open the link within 10 minutes of it being received, the link expires and the media is no longer available. You can send and receive emoticons, but the people you send them to will receive the text representation. You send smiley face, they get :parenthesis. You also can't send text to groups. If you try, you will get an error. If someone adds you to a text group and sends a message, you will get the message, but it will only be from the sender. When you reply, it will only be to the original sender and not the whole group. There is one other key item to make clear. If you use multiple Jabber devices, like Jabber on a desktop and Jabber on a cell phone, SMS messages will be delivered to all logged-in devices. If you are not logged into any device, the system will hold the message and deliver it to the first device you log into. However, if you are logged into one device and not another, the message will only be delivered to the logged-in device. Even after you have logged into the second device, the new message will not show up. There is no message syncing between Jabber devices after a message has been sent or successfully delivered to at least one device. This video assumes that you're familiar with Jabber and how to log in. The first step I want to show you is optional, but it will be useful in organizing the contacts that you send messages to. After you've logged into Jabber, on the top right of the Jabber window, click on the menu icon. That's the one that looks like a gear. Then select File, New, Group to create a new contact group. Give this group a relevant name. If you want to group all of the people you SMS into one group, this new group could be named SMS Contacts. In this case, I'm assuming I have a project that's going to include SMS messages, so I'm going to name the group Project A. To send a new text message, go to the menu icon and select File, New, Custom Contact. In the Create Custom Contact pop-up window, enter a relevant name into the display name field. Then, in the Chat IM address field, enter the contact's cell phone number with a 1 before the area code, the rest of the number, the @ symbol, and then sms.voice.unlv.edu. I know this is a long domain suffix, but it's the only time you'll have to enter it. The person you are texting will only see your UNLV number, and text from this user will only show the display name that you just entered. You can see that by default the user is added to the contact group named Contacts. We are going to leave this for now so that I can show you how to move contacts into different groups. Click the Create button when you're done. Now with the Contacts icon selected in the Jabber Hub, you can see your new entry in the Contacts Contact group. To move this user over to a different contact group, right-click on the contact and select Move To and choose the group that you want to move this contact to. Now the user is visible in the new contact group. Double-click on the contact to start your message. From here forward, this works very similarly to other chat programs. If you receive a text from a person that you have not added to your contacts, the message will be from a number in the format I discussed earlier. To make this contact easier to recognize, open the message, click the 3 dots More icon on the top right, and select the Create Custom Contact icon. This opens the same Create Custom Contact pop-up that you saw earlier. You can copy and paste the user's info into the Chat IM address field, and then add the display name. Here I'm also going to choose which group the user is added to. Click Create when you are done. Now any message sent from this user will show the display name you just created. Thanks for watching. I hope this has been informative. If you have any questions about Jabber SMS, please contact the UNLV Telecom Help Desk.